Hello, I'm Thomas Mayo, a proud Kororeg Aboriginal and Kookagal Torres Strait Islander man. I am a union leader, a human rights advocate and author. Today I'm at Queenscliff Library to share a special story with you that I co-wrote with Bernard Namok Jr, a Torres Strait Islander from Thursday Island. Bernard's father, also named Bernard, created the Torres Strait Island flag, and this story explores its design, significance, and the pride it brings to our community. Our flag, our story, the Torres Strait Islander flag, featuring beautiful illustrations by Tori-Jay Mordey. Australia always was and always will be Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander land. This is why Australia has three flags: the Aboriginal flag, the Torres Strait Islander flag, and the Australian flag. The Aboriginal flag represents the First Nations people of the mainland and most of the islands of Australia. And the Torres Strait Islander flag represents my people,